Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing how you can change your own lower pulley on your M156 Mercedes AMG. Here's our pulley here, brand new from Mercedes. Comes with a brand new bolt, an inner washer, and that's it. So for this job you can get it from the front, but it is much easier to access from below. So we're going to take you below, show you all the little bolts you need to remove so you can get the lower trim off, and then we can get on to taking out our pulley. Alright, so there's 6 bolts on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same on the other side. Once you do that, you can take this trim out. So you just want to try and wiggle it down, and it'll pop out. Now we have access to our lower part of our motor. Now here's the funny part about this pulley. We can actually say that well, you can't see from here, but our belt's in good condition. But you can actually just pull the Now the funny thing about this pulley, you can actually pull down the belt a little bit and you can actually get access to the pulley. It might be hard to understand what I'm saying there, but if you pull here now, it might be hard to understand what I'm saying there, but access to the pulley without even, so you can get removing proper access to the pulley without even removing it. So this is the new one for reference, but it's actually an E12. So we're just going to want to take it and loosen it. I'm going to spin it out, pull the pulley out, put a new one in, and tighten it back down. Alright, so you want to get your E12 in there. Pulley, you just want to be careful with this hose. Obviously you don't want to stretch it too much, you could rip it. Alright, so we have it out. Here's our old bolt, our old washer, and our old bearing. Just want to put it in your finger, spin it. Might be hard to hear from there, but this has a little bit of a whir and a little bit of grinding. So that's it, we're going to put our new one in, and we're done. Now, because you hardly have any reach, you can already tell it's going to be a bit of a fiddle, but you can see where the bolt's meant to go here. So you just want to try your best to line up the pulley, line up the bolt, put it in, tighten it down. Alright, now for tightening, just want to put it to finger tight and just tighten it from there. Now these ones are obviously easy to check once you're on. Pull the belt down, make sure it spins freely. That's it. Make sure the belt aligns with the pulley, and you're done. You can now put your cover back on, put the car back on the ground, and you're finished.